G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this episode of the International Truck Build, gonna get the center console removed. I've got to extend the wiring for the aircon switches, have to wire up the radio, then I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up the rest of the wiring. Gonna get the carpets installed, see how they fit, and yeah, time permitting, try and get the doors buttoned up as far as the electric window rigs and the central locking and that. I've got to fiddle that to the other side and yeah, get them all buttoned up. So yeah. So if you can do us a favour, like, comment, share and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Let's get to the rest of the video. Rightio, so just removed that center console, got it sitting over on the bench here. Yeah, ready to take that wiring, and while I got the seats out, I went ahead and yeah, fitted the right buckle to the driver's seat as well. So that's done out of the road. So just showing you what I got to do here. So they're the aircon switches, speed and temperature. So you can see the wiring only lets it go as far as there, and obviously they've got to be mounted up over there. So I've got to extend that, and then yeah, wire the radio in, and yeah, get to tidying this wiring up. So yeah, gonna get in and get this wiring happening. Rightio, so spent a fair bit of time there, yeah, tidying up the wiring. I still got to tidy up a bit more and wrap it up, but started yeah, wiring up that head unit, got it wired up, got the speaker wires yeah, wired up, so that should be pretty much right, good to go. Still got to do the reverse camera. But yeah, gonna head up, have some lunch, and yeah, get back into it after Smogo. Rightio, so I got that reverse camera wiring sorted out. Put the isolator on here. Keys are already on there, so you can see the yeah, radio's booting up there. I've got it wired up to this proxy switch here. I've just got to mount it, so you can see changes to yeah, out the back where the camera's mounted, so it's all working. So yeah, move on to the next job. Yeah, so I finished up with the wiring for now. Went ahead and give the floor a bit of a vacuum clean there. Went upstairs and got the carpet, so I haven't yeah, tried these carpets in here after I got the edges trimmed and the floor mats in them. So yeah, really happy with it. As you can see, it's passenger, that's driver. Yeah, they fit really nice, look really good. So don't know if I'll leave them in there or not, probably pull them back out, yeah, so they don't get all marked up. But yeah, probably get that done and yeah, move on to the next job. Right, yeah, end of the day, what I end up doing after I laid them carpets and all that in there, I yeah, pulled this door apart and I put the other Bailey channel in it, trying to yeah, get that window sliding up and down a bit easier. So yeah, that's what I've done. Just got the window up here, letting that glue go off. So yeah, we'll get back in the morning. Rightio, so it's the next day. I've spent the morning yeah, tidying up, finessing everything to work here with the central locking. Electric window goes up and down now. It's battery's a little bit flat there, but I'll show you in a sec. The window goes up and down. Yeah, a few obstacles to overcome. The central locking solenoid is very close to the window. And then yeah, getting the angle and the stroke and all that correct, because like I had it working with lock and unlock, but then it was restricting the inner door handle from releasing. So like I said, yeah, a lot of finessing, but got it all working now. So yeah, that's closed. That releases it. Interior releases it. So if I go ahead and lock it, won't unlock the yeah, so like I said, it's all working. And like I was saying with the window, not sure how how fast it'll go up and down, because the battery is a bit soft at the moment, but yeah, you can see it goes up and down. Like I said, it'll get better with the charged up battery and all that jazz. So yeah, really happy with how that's come together. As you can see, gone ahead and taped up the wiring and yeah, wrapped it in this tape and tucked it out of the road and mounted it. So yeah, that's all tidied up. Have to go ahead and replicate that on the driver's side door. So that's the next project. Once that's done, probably move back onto the console. I'm thinking I'm going to try and get most of the interior buttoned up as much as I can. So yeah, that means obviously welding it all out, smoothing it, yeah, painting it in some fashion and then covering it. So plenty of work to do there, but yeah, a bit of a milestone. Really happy. I overcome a few obstacles to get everything working in that door. So yeah, I'll move on to the driver's side. Alrighty, so end of the day, like I say, I focused my time on this right hand side door, driver's side door. Got the electric window mounted and working, and same as the central locking. Yeah, really happy with it. So you see the yeah, glass down and up. Like I say, the Bailey channel is quite tight. It's better than the other stuff, but yeah, and yeah, battery's a little bit down, but yeah, that's working a treat. And same as the central locking. So if we so it's unlocked, and yep, and then if we lock it, yep, nothing. Unlock, boom. So yeah, same deal as the interior handle, releases it. So yeah, really happy with that. It's a big job, got out of the road, got that bolt over. So yeah, end of the day again, gonna have to probably wrap it up here. I did bring the foam down from the house for the hood lining. Debating whether I do that. I might measure this out and get this cut and stuck up on the roof for the head lining. Just a little job that I could probably take care of right now without getting stuck into another big job. I've got to go back to work tomorrow. I won't finish the video up here. I want to make this one a little bit longer, try and get some of these other jobs finished. So interior lights, another job. That's the wire in there for it, but I've got to get it mounted and wired up. But yeah, really happy with how it's all going. So yeah, well, yeah, might take a look at this headline for now anyway. Right, yeah, so I decided to yeah, go and get that foam, cut it out, roughly cut it out, and I've yeah, just tucked it up into the roof there. What I'm going to do is sort of run around the perimeter with the texture there, and that'll give me the shape of what it needs to be. So I'll yeah, do that, pull it out, and then trim it up, so it'll be, yeah, a good fit up in the roof. Alright, yeah, so there it is. You can see the trace line there, so I've trimmed up the edges. So yeah, I'll like I say, I got to pack up, got to head back to work tomorrow. So at least that job's done. When I come back, I can, yeah, glue the roof, and yeah, at least get that foam stuck up in there. So yeah, shut it down for now anyway.
Rightio guys, not sure what happened with the audio on this file, but basically what I'm telling you is that got back from work, heading into town to get some supplies to make the door trims and the back panel, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to head to the trimmers to pick up some supplies. So yeah, that's where we're up to.
Alright, yeah, so I got the bits, you see I got the timber and stuff in the back there. So yeah, going to head to Marshy's, the upholsterer, and yeah, see if he's got some foam and some vinyl for us. Rightio, so just got back home from out of town, got everything I think I'm going to need for now. So I got the grey vinyl, I got the thinner foam for the door trims and the back panel, and I got thicker foam, probably going to put that on the centre console, and yeah, the timber for the door cards and all that. So yeah, get us down the shed and get to making some door trim. Rightio, first things first, what I'm going to do is yeah, check the fitment of these old door cards in the doors, and if they're pretty well accurate, what I'll do is just use them as a template. Yeah, mark them on the new panels, get them cut out, and yeah, check fitment, get them fitting right, and then yeah, once I'm happy with that, get to yeah, getting the foam laid down and vinyl cut and wrap. So yeah, just check the fitment of these old door trims. Right, yeah, so I got the driver's side door card cut out. Well, actually cut the other side out as well at the same time, but went ahead and yeah, trimmed it up. Yeah, drew all the holes out, fit nice and good. I might just trim it a little bit in some spots, because obviously the trim will grow, you know, in overall diameter once you start putting foam and vinyl over it. So yeah, I'll give the outside perimeter a little bit of a haircut, trim it up in some spots, but yeah, really happy with that. So yeah, gonna go and have some lunch and yeah, get into the passenger side. Rightio, so I've got left hand side passenger side door trim finished off with the foam. I got it glued. Yeah, just got it sitting on cardboard here. Let that glue go off. Got the driver's side here. Same deal, just showing you how I was getting it glued down. So just punch the holes where the door trim mounts through the foam, and then what I end up doing is just laying half of it back, spraying it with glue both sides, laying it down, and then yeah, doing it to the other side, and then yeah, letting it go off, put a bit of pressure on it. So gonna go ahead and glue this side. Then once they're both glued, I'll either start marking out the vinyl, or I might go ahead and start putting the sound deadening on the back wall of the cab, because I'll need that done before I put the back panel in. So get this foam glued down and yeah, work out where we go from there. Rightio, so got both them door trims covered in vinyl there, and yeah, got them put back on. Really happy with how they're looking. Very yeah, similar colour to the seats there. So I'll just show you the driver's side as well. So yeah, driver's side's done as well. On, so what I'm going to move to is yeah, I'll probably do the sound deadening along the back of the cab, and then yeah, move to cutting this board out. Yeah, and same deal, foam, and yeah, getting it wrapped up in vinyl. So yeah, getting that sound deadening. Rightio, so got the back of the cab wall all yeah, lined with that sound deadener. Really happy with that. That's gonna yeah, take a lot of that noise out. So got that done, went ahead and measured the back of the cab, and yeah, cut out some more of that plywood, timber, whatever you want to call it. So I've got that cut out, and I'm just in the process of yeah, cutting the foam out. So I'll finish getting that cut out, and yeah, get it glued on, double check for fitment, and then yeah, get it wrapped. Right, it's the end of the day, you're going to shut it down. Yeah, went ahead and got that foam glued onto the plywood, so I'm going to let that set overnight, and then yeah, come out in the morning, and I'd say yeah, I'll get some more of that grey vinyl, yeah, get it prepped and get it glued on that backboard, and get that backboard mounted. Then not quite sure, but I might get stuck back into the center console. I've got all of the vinyl and the foam to wrap that. Obviously I've got to yeah, weld it all out yet, but yeah, that'll do it for the day, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Rightio, so it's next morning. I got the vinyl cut out for that back panel. I got it glued to the board, just letting it go off. Yeah, once it goes off, I'll glue the edges up and yeah, get it fitted. Rightio, so I got that back panel made and fitted, so yeah, really happy with that. Probably going to move on to the headliner now. So just got to prep the roof with the glue and prep the foam. Yeah, get that foam stuck up in there, and then yeah, carefully get that felt glued in there as well, and yeah, hopefully it all goes to plan. Rightio, so yeah, my uncle just stopped by, give us a massive hand to yeah, get the headliner done. As you can see, yeah, looks awesome. Really happy with it. Another piece of the puzzle sorted out. So yeah, got that ticked off the list. So probably going to shut this video down here, everyone. Got to go back to work this week. This week was a bit of a short week. Yeah, like I said, I had Saturday, Sunday off, was my birthday, so I only got sort of Monday, Tuesday to work on the truck. So still got a fair bit done. Like I said, I got them, got the door cards, yeah, the rear panel and the headliner done. So I was really happy with that. Next video, I think what I'm gonna do is get stuck into the center console, try and get that buttoned up for a start, and yeah, if we get that buttoned up, sort of move on to some of the other stuff. Obviously still got to paint the roof, got to paint the tray, but yeah, really sort of thinking I'll stick with the try and get a lot of the interior stuff buttoned up, seeing how I'm already in there. So yeah, as always, yeah, really appreciate everyone watching. If you can do us a favor, like, comment, share and subscribe, it'd be really awesome, helps the channel out. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.